Okay, we are live now. So, hello everyone. Hi everyone. Let me know in the comment section that am I audible or not. Then we start the today's live session. The live session is related to Capgemini technical MCQ. So this is the live class 1, okay, and in which we will discuss about everything that is related to Capgemini technical MCQ. So hi everyone. Let me know in the comment section that am I audible or not. Okay. I am first, sir. Thank you so much, Rank there gamer. So let me know in the comment section that am I audible or not. Then we start the today's live session. And the live session is very amazing. Okay. Because like Capgemini announced the analyst star and senior analyst hiring. Thank you so much, Venkat, Deepak, Pro, Sopra Hysteria. Can you any tell? Akhil, I will check the Sopra Hysteria things and I will come up with the video. But the now we have to discuss about the Capgemini. Thank you so much, Sneha. Okay, Lokesh, is my screen is visible? Can you please
Yes,
check?
yes.
Okay, thank you so much. So guys, just to see that I created playlist of Capgemini 5 days ago. Okay, and I already shared the free resources video. Okay, like in which Capgemini updated exam pattern are there. Okay, so yes, I am open the video. Just wait. Okay, so you can check out the video. So in the particular video, there is a updated exam and pattern. So you can check everything that is related to Capgemini. Okay, just to see that I already shared the assessment 1, assessment 2, assessment 3, every detail. Okay, and what is the Capgemini eligibility, everything. Okay, let's discuss about the Capgemini eligibility in detail. Just understand that Capgemini is hiring for 25 batch for analyst and senior analyst position. BE, BTech, ME, MTech 25 batch can apply. It is a on-campus opportunity. Analyst is 4.25 LPA. Analyst star is 5.75 lakh and senior analyst is 7.5 lakh. Okay, let's move on to our next update that is related to assessment. There are four type of assessment. First assessment is assessment 1, technical MCQ and written English test. Cognitive test mode is on campus. So in the today's video we will discuss about the technical assessment. Okay, written English test we will post later, and cognitive assessment game based aptitude we will post later. Okay, and the most important thing, they mention an additional module adapt essential has been including, which is behavioral insight module designed to provide critical traits analysis. Means there is a situation based question, behavioral based question as well. Okay, so candidate assessment depends on the score of each module. Each round will be mandatory elimination round. Okay, so you have to clear the first round, means you have to perform very well in all like modules like technical assessment, English test, cognitive assessment. So you will move on to the next round that is related to coding. Mode is on campus virtual, and it is for coding is for higher packages role, that is analyst star and senior analyst. Okay, third is related to spoken English assessment. Mode is virtual. This round will be mandatory and elimination round. And assessment fourth is technical interview. Mode is virtual. And the after that your final selection is there. So this is the Capgemini updated process, and this is shared this is shared by candidate. Okay. So yeah. So let's move on to the next important thing that is related to the final thing that is related to assessment 1 and technical MCQ syllabus and everything. Okay, so Lokesh, over to you. You can continue, and thank you so much. Your screen is visible.
Okay. So hello everyone. So in this video we will be going to discuss Capgemini round 1 syllabus. So basically Capgemini has announced the on-campus hiring for analyst and senior analyst profile for 4.5, 5.75 and 7.5 role as well. So assessment 1 is the technical assessment. Basically this is the cognitive assessment, and basically each round is the elimination round. You have to clear each first you have to clear every round in order to move to the next round. Okay, so first let's discuss like what is the syllabus of first assessment. Okay, so you can see this in the screen. You can see like this is the syllabus of assessment 1. Assessment 1 consists of technical MCQs, written English test, and cognitive ability. And the mode of examination will be on campus. Okay. So technical assessment consists of you can expect question or MCQs of data structures, algorithm, fundamental of database, cloud, and networking. Okay. So basically there are you can say four subsections. Okay. First, you can expect uh, MCQs of DSA, basically data structures and algorithm. Then there is subsection of cloud, network, and pseudocode. Okay. So basically this is the subsection of technical section. You can expect MCQs from these topic. And basically from DSA, you can expect question from heaps, stack, queues, and linked list. Okay. And definitely the maximum question will be of max heap and min heap. Okay. In DSA. So basically in DSA, you can expect question from heaps, that is the min heap, max heap, stack, queues, linked list, arrays. Okay. Then talking about the cloud and networking, you can expect basic question from cloud and networking. Like all of you have studies like cloud computing and networking in your either in your fourth or fifth semester. So basically you have to basically learn the top each and every topic from these subject, and you can practice the MCQs from Send Foundry and Geeks for Geeks. Okay. For networking and cloud, I would suggest you to go for Send Foundry and Geeks for Geeks. You can solve some previous year question, and that is more than enough for cloud and networking part. Talking about the pseudocode part, so pseudocode is the most important thing because not only for Capgemini, Accenture, Tech Mahindra, Cognizant also ask like pseudocode. So pseudocode are very important. So this is the detailed syllabus. Okay. So from the networking, you can expect question of from basic networking security, encryption algorithm, attack type, firewalls. Okay. And from the database part, you can expect question from database relationship, database operator, normalization, joins, keys, constraint, and relation algebra. Okay. And talking about the pseudocode part, from the pseudocode part, it is very important thing not only for Capgemini as well as for the other organization as well. So you can expect question from array, time complexities, trees, linked list, queues, hashing, graphs, and bit manipulation. Okay. Bit manipulation is very important for pseudocode. That is the XOR operator and or. Okay. So most of the like pseudocode question are from the bit manipulation. So you have to really focus well on the bit manipulation part. Okay. And for the cloud, you can expect question from cloud computing, client server architecture, cloud data centers, cloud service provider, and cloud service platforms. Okay. Next. So like this you can see the you can also check the previous year experience of candidates. You can you can check out this website. Like many students have posted their exam experience in the 2024 batch. Okay. So you can see like today I gave my exam. A lot of question are from DSA in technical MCQ section. Array representation, max heap, min heap, MCQ related to there. The entire pseudocode section was almost entirely composed of XOR and operator. Okay. As I said, for the DSA, for the DSA MCQs, the heaps are very important. That is the min heap and max heap. And for the pseudocode part, XOR operator, and OR operator. These are very important. You can see the candidate has mentioned the same thing. Okay. And the cloud computing won't be this. Okay. So this is the first round. You can expect like in the previous time there will be 25 question and 25 minutes. Again, that is totally dependent upon the Capgemini team. And basically this is an elimination round. In this two subsection were there, pseudocode and the computer fundamentals. In pseudocode, most of the question are from bitwise, as I said, conditional statement, loops, and from the data structure, you can expect question from min heap and max heap. Okay, guys. So this is the all complete syllabus for round one. Okay. If you have any doubts regarding the syllabus, just let me know. Else, we will start by solving the questions.
And in the round 1 technical MCQ section, cloud, database, networking, these are the three important subject. Okay. And in the DSA, okay, Lokesh, can you just like move to the previous slide? Just open the previous slide. Okay. So in the data structures and algorithm, array, time complexity, tree, linked list, queue, bit manipulation, hashing, graph. Okay, these are the most important topic. And database, networking, and cloud. Okay, these are the important topics. And from last 3 to 4 year, Capgemini is asking the pseudocode. So they are asking pseudocode of ZOR and OR, okay, and the other things. So you have to prepare very well for the examination. TCS playlist is already ongoing. We already uploaded 8 videos in the TCS playlist. Okay, please check all the 8 videos. Okay, complete that videos. We will also come up with the other videos. Okay, because we have to focus on other examination as well, Capgemini, because the Capgemini exam date is 11 or 13 September, and TCS examination date is most probably 15 September or later. Okay, so we have to cover everything for all of you. Yes, Lokesh, let's move on to next slide. So these are the things, okay, and yes, Lokesh will tell you about the AND XOR operator. Okay, so yes, Lokesh, continue.
Yeah. So as I said, for pseudocode part, most important thing is the bit manipulation operator, that is and, XOR and OR. You need to you need to know like how to calculate the XOR. Let's say I will give you like what is the value of 1 XOR 2, 1 and 2 and 1 or 2. Okay, so you need to remember like how to calculate the value of XOR and an OR operator, because these are the very important thing for pseudocode part. Most of the question are from the and, XOR and OR operator in the pseudocode part. Okay, so let me tell you like yeah, how to calculate XOR and an OR of any two numbers. Okay, so let's say you need to calculate 1 XOR 2. Okay, so first you need to write the binary of both of the number. Okay, so binary of 1 is 0 1 and binary of 2 is 1 0. Okay, so first you need to write the binary of two numbers. Okay, then for calculating the XOR, there is one rule. If both of the bits are different, then the result will be 1. Okay, if both of the bits are same, then the result will be 0. Okay, so in XOR you need to remember, if bits are same, if same bit, then result is 0. If there are different bits, then the result will be 1. This is the most important thing for XOR. Okay, so you can see here both of the bits are different, so result will be 1. Here also both of the bits are different, so result will be 1. And 1 1 in decimal is 3, so value of 1 XOR 2 will be 3. So something like this you need to calculate. Okay, so this is the all about the XOR. Then I will tell you how to calculate AND and OR. Okay, so let's say you need to calculate 1 and 2. So again you need to write the binary of both of the numbers, that is 1 0 and 1 0. And the property of AND operator is, if both of the bits are 1, then only result is 1. Okay, so in AND you need to remember, if both 1, if both 1, then only 1, else it is 0. So in the AND operator, this is the basically property of AND operator, is if both of the bits are 1, then only result will be 1, else the result will be 0. Okay, so you can see one bit is 0 and one bit is 1, so result will be 0. And one in these also, like one bit is 1 and one bit is 0, so again result will be 0. And 0 0 means 0 in decimal, so the value of 1 and 2 will be 0. Okay, next now talking about the OR operator. So yeah, so let's say you need to calculate 1 or 2. So again write the binary of two numbers. So binary of 2 is 1 0 and binary of 1 is 0 1. And let's say you need to calculate the OR operator. So basically the property of OR operator is, if any one of the bit is 1, then the result is 1. Okay, sorry, the binary of 1 is 1 0. Sorry guys. Okay, so the property of OR operator is, if any one of the bit is 1, then the result is 1. Okay, so you can see one bit is 1, so result is 1. So one bit is 1, you can see, so result is 1. So 1 1, it is basically 3 in decimal, so the value of 1 or 2 is 3. So something like this, you need to remember the properties of XOR and an OR operator, because this is the most important thing for pseudocode. Most of the pseudocode will contain questions from these operator, that is AND, XOR and OR operator. Okay guys, clear? If you have any doubts in the XOR and an OR operator, just let me know, else we can start with the first question. um, pointer maybe they can give, but there are very less chances. Okay. Okay, let's start. So this is the first question, guys. Just put your answer in the chat. What is the answer for this question? Which one of the following array elements represent the binary min heap? This is the MCQ of DSA. You need to tell me answer like option A, option B, option C, and option D. Which one of the following array elements represent the binary min heap? This is the MCQs of DSA part. Okay, so this is the question from heaps. Okay, again I'm telling you, min heap and max heap are very important for MCQ. Most of the question are from heaps also. Okay, so you need to tell me like which of the following array represent the binary min heap. Okay, just put your answer in the chat, guys. I got one answer, C. Okay, any other answers?
Take a pen and paper with all of you guys and solve the questions. Okay, so you will get to know about the concept as well. We got answer from Kirtan and Nidhi, C and B.
Okay, so some are saying C, B. Any other answers, guys?
Kapil, this is on campus opportunity.
Okay, I got two answers till now, C and B. Okay, so let's check. Let's solve like what is the answer for this MCQ. Okay, so basically, the most important thing here is binary min heap. You need to remember the property of binary min heap. So the property of binary min heap is that the value of its node is basically less than of its child. Okay, so basically let's say this is the left child and this is the right child. So the node value in the min heap should be less than to its left child and the right child. So let's say here it is 3, it is 2, so here it will be 1, because the property of min heap is that the root node is basically is less than to its children. This is the property of min heap. Okay, so this is the one important thing you need to remember about min heap. And also there is one important thing. So let's say if there is if we need to find a child of ith node, then let's say there is an array, you are given an array. So let's say you are given an array, so 0 1 2 3 4, and let's say you need to find the childs of a particular index. So there are two childs, basically 2i plus 1 and 2i plus 2. So let's say for ith node you need to calculate like you need to find like which one what are the childs of ith. So the childs of ith will be 2i plus 1 and 2i plus 2. Okay, so let's solve. So this is the important formula you need to remember. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so let's say this is the first element, this is the root. So okay, so I value is initially 0, so this is 2 12. So its child will be 2i plus 1 and 2i plus 2. That is 2 into 0 plus 1 and 2 into 0 plus 2. Okay, that is one index and two index, that is 10 and 8. So 10 and 8 are basically childs of 12. So it is something like 12 is the root and its child are 10 and 8. So is this a min heap, guys? Is this a mean heap or not? Is this a mean heap or not, guys? Does it satisfy the condition of mean heap? Recently I told you like for mean heap, the root will be its the value of root will be less than of its left child and right child. So is this a mean heap? No, this is not satisfying the condition of mean heap, so option A is eliminated. Next, talking about option 2. So let's solve for option 2. Okay, so for option 2, so ith is the root. Okay, so 2i plus 1 and 2i plus 2. So 10 and 12 will be child of 8 and 12. Okay, so this is satisfying because 8 is basically less than to its left child and right child. So this is true till now. Next, we will check for the remaining section. Okay, for remaining section you have to check something like this, like for 10th you need to calculate 2i plus 1 and 2i plus 2. Okay, so something like this you need to calculate for all of the nodes, and you can like basically eliminate the options. So let's check for C option. Okay, so let's say this is the root, 25 is the root, and its child will be 17 and 14. So 17 and 14 will be its child. So is this satisfying the condition of a min heap? No, because this is root is greater than. We need root to be less than of left hand child. So option C is also eliminated. Let's check for option D. So basically 14 is the root here, and its child will be 17 and 25. So again you can see, so basically it is not this is basically the less than, and you need to check for further. Okay, so let's say we check for 17. So for 17 we calculate 2 into 1 plus 1 and 2 into 1 plus 2. So basically 2 plus 1 is 3 and 2 plus 2 is 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, for 17 the child are 10 and 12. So 17 I will write here, for 17 the childs are 10 and 12. Okay, so again it is not satisfying the condition of min heap, because the root is greater than to the left and right. The condition of min heap is the root will be less than to left and right. So again option D is also eliminated. So the correct answer for this question is option B. Okay, clear guys? So something like this you need to eliminate the option in your examination. Okay, you do not need to solve the whole question. Basically you need to apply option elimination method, because in your examination you will get 1 minute for one question. Okay, so that's why you need to eliminate the option and pick up the right option. Okay, clear guys? Any doubts? Any doubts guys in the first question? This is very important. Like something like this you can expect in your examination from question from min heap. Okay, okay, so yeah, let's move on. This is the next question. What is the answer for this question guys? Find out the maximum number of nodes present in a tree of height 6. What is the answer for this question guys? What is the maximum number of nodes present in a tree of height 6? Guys, just put your answer in the chat. Find out the maximum number of nodes present in a tree of height 6. Any guesses guys? What will be the answer of this question? 64. Okay, I got one answer. Any other answers? Any other answers guys? D 32. Any other answers guys? So 64, 63. So let's solve. So basically, in the question, you have to find the maximum number of node present in a tree of height 6. So basically, there is an inbuilt formula to calculate the number of nodes in a tree of particular height. So basically, the number of nodes will be 2 to the power h minus 1. This is the formula for total calculating the total number of nodes in a tree, that is 2 raised to power h minus 1, and basically h is the height of the tree. Okay, so basically this is the formula you need to remember. Okay, so let's put up. So here the height value is 6, so 2 to power 6 minus 1. So 2 to power 6 is 64, minus 1 is 63 will be the correct answer for this question. Okay guys, so you need to remember the formula. So the formula for calculating the total number of nodes in a tree is 2 raised to power h minus 1, whereas h is the height of the tree. Okay. Okay, let's move on. So basically, this is the pseudo code part. We need to tell what is the output of following C++ snippet. So what will be the answer, guys? What is the answer of this pseudo code? Just put your answer in the chat, guys, fast. Basically, you need to tell what is the output of this C++ code snippet. What will be the answers, guys? Fast. What will be the answer of this pseudo code? Okay, none. Okay, I got one answer, none. Okay, sure. Any other answers, guys? See, it will unset the kth bit of a number. Okay, okay. So let's see. So let's solve this question. Okay. So basically, this is the C++ code snippet. Okay. So basically, this is the main function. We are declaring an integer whose value is 7, and we are also taking a number k that's value is 1, and we are calling this function. Okay. So basically, this is the function. It will take two variable nums and k as an input. Okay. And simply after this function call, we'll be simply printing the number. Okay. Okay, so basically you can see in the function the we are doing is num is equals to negation of one left shift k. So basically this is the left shift operator. Okay, so basically what we are doing is we will passing num. So in num we are storing one left shift k, one left shift k, and we are passing k value as 1. So basically it will go to kth bit. Okay, and this is the negation part. Negation will negate the result that is from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0. Okay, so basically it will flip the result. So okay, so that's why first it will go to kth bit, and after going to kth bit it will unset the kth bit. Okay, so that's why the output will be option C, that is it will unset the kth bit of a number. Okay, okay guys, clear? Okay, so let's move on. So like this is the again a pseudocode part. What will be the output is of this pseudocode? What will be the output of this pseudocode? Basically in this you are given a function that is taking n as an integer, and it will returning the same based on some conditions. Okay, so you need to tell what will be the output of this pseudocode. Basically what the functionality of left shift is, it will go to kth bit. Okay, so basically if you are doing one left shift k, so it will go to kth bit. Okay, on the left side. So what will be the output of this pseudocode, guys? Guys, fast, what will be the output of this pseudocode? So I got one answer, that is B. Okay. Any other answers, guys? Two people are saying option B is correct. Okay. B. Okay. So let's check what is the correct answer for this question. Okay. So basically in this pseudocode part, this is the function. This is the function, and it is taking parameter n as an input. Okay, and basically if n mod 4 is 0, then it is returning n. If n mod 4 is 1, it is returning 1. If n mod 4 is 2, then returning n plus 1, else it will returning the 0. Okay, so basically these are the condition for modulus operator. So basically it will check the remainders of 4. Okay, so basically it is checking remainders of 4. So basically there are only four possible remainders: 0, 1, 2, and 3. If we divide a number by 4, then only there are only four remainders are possible. Either the remainder is 0, either the remainder is 1, either the remainder is 2, or either the remainder is 3. Okay, how? So let's check. So if you calculate 4 mod 4 is 0, because it is completely divisible. So and also like let's check, if you calculate 5 mod 4, if you divide 5 by 4, you get remainder as 1. And for 2, so let's say if you're dividing 7 by 4, 7 mod 4 is basically 3. Okay, so basically there are only four possible remainders if we divide a number by 4. Okay, so then this function behaves differently, like as we are passing the value of n. So basically if the number is completely divisible by 4, then it is returning n. If the complete if we are getting remainder 1, then it is returning 1. If we are getting remainder 2, then we are getting n plus 1. And apart from this, if we are getting any other remainder, then we are getting 0. So basically the output of this pseudocode is dependent upon the remainder when we divide a number by 4. Okay, so basically there is one pattern that is coming in the question. Okay, so that is n mod 4 is 0 for XOR from 1 to n. Okay, so let me clean out the board, just a second, guys. Okay, so there is one pattern that is coming in the question, that is if n mod 4 is 0, then we are getting output as n, that is XOR from 1 to n. If n mod 4 is equals to 1, then we are getting 1. And how we are getting 1? That is XOR from 1 to n is 1. Next, there is next condition is n mod 4 is 2, then we are getting 2 as an output, as XOR from 1 to n is n plus 1. That's why we are getting n plus 1. And apart from that, like if you are getting any other remainder, that is 0, 1, 2, and if you are getting 3 remainder, then it is returning 0. So it is something, it will there is a pattern that is coming to a question, that is it will give the all the XOR of number that is from 1 to n only. So option D will be the correct answer for this question. Option D is the correct answer for this question, guys. Okay, okay, so let's move on to the next question. What will be the output of this pseudocode? What is the output of this pseudocode, guys? Fast. This is a very easy question. You can tell me what will be the output of this pseudocode, guys. Fast. Yes, these are the previous year questions.
Some are previous year and some are related to practice.
Okay, I got one answer. One. Any other
And guys,
answers,
just
guys?
to focus, yeah. So guys, just to focus on concept, okay? Because there is a concept they will ask in the technical MCQ, okay? Yes, Lokesh, you can continue.
Okay, so I got only one answer. This is very easy question, guys. You can tell me. That is not a tough question. You can. This is very easy question, guys. Fast. What will be the output? I got one answer till now. Any other answers, guys? Fast. 5. Okay. Okay. So let's see what will be the. Let's solve this question. Okay. So in the question, like there are four integer x, y, z, and a. X value is 2, y value is 1, and z value is 5. Okay. Basically, this and is or are logical and logical or, guys. This is not a binary and binary or. These are logical and logical or. Okay. So basically, in A, we are substituting x value is 2, 2 and 1, and we are doing XOR with z plus 1, that is 6. This is logical and logical or, guys. Okay, this is not a binary operator, because this is binary operator, single and this pipe operator. These are binary operator and these are logical and logical or. Okay, so you can see 2 is this is true value because it is a positive. One is also true because it is positive, and true will be true, and true will be represented by 1. Okay, then 1 or 6 is a positive number. And so the again this is the or operator. So the property of or operator is, if any one of the value is true, then the output is 1. You can see 1 is true or 6 is again true. So true or true will be true, and true is represented by 1. So that's why the correct answer for this question is 1, not 5. Okay, this is binary, this is logical and logical or operator, guys, not the binary operator. Okay, so that's why the correct answer for this question is 1, not 5. Okay, guys, clear? You need to like remember this thing. This and or are logical and logical or operator. Okay, and this single and pipe symbol, this is binary operators. Okay, next. This is again the question from DSA MCQs related to heaps. Which of the following is the valid min heap? This is option A, this is option B, this is option C, and this is option D. Okay, so you need to tell me what will be the correct answer. Which of the following is a valid min heap? Option A, option B, option C, and option D. Okay, and I told you the condition of min heap. Okay, basically the condition of min heap is parent should be less than left child and right child. Okay, that is this is parent, this is left child, and this is right child. The parent should be less than to its left child and right child. This is the main property of min heap you need to remember. Okay, some are saying D, 1. D. Okay, any other answers, guys? Fast. Okay, D. Okay, so let's solve. So let's apply the option elimination method here. Okay, option eliminate. Let's eliminate the option, because there is 1 minute for one question. So you need to apply this trick. That is, you need to eliminate the option. Okay, So you can see here the root node is greater than the left child and the right child. So option A will be definitely not correct. Next, we will check for option B. You can see here the condition is true. That is the root is less than left hand child. This is true. But you can see here the condition is false. That is root is greater than left and right. So again, option B is also eliminated. Next, you can see root is greater than left hand child. So again, option D is eliminated. So what the option left is option D. So option D you need to mark, that is option D is correct. And also you can see root is left, root is smaller than left and right. This is true. Again, for 10 it is smaller, for 17 it is smaller. So option D will be correct answer. Okay, so you need to apply option elimination methods in your examination because there is very less time in your examination. Yes, D is the correct answer. Okay, so something like this, you need to eliminate the option, and the option which satisfying the condition will be your correct answer. Okay, guys, clear? Any doubts in the min heap? Because min heap and max heap are very important. You can expect almost 5 to 6 questions from min heap and max heap. Min heap and max heap are very important thing. Okay. Next, what will be the output? What is the output of this question? Option A, option B, option C, and option D. What's wrong with this code which returns XOR of two nodes address? Okay, struct is a common user defined data type in C++, which is alternative. Okay, B. Option B. Okay, any other answers? Any other answers, guys? Fast, guys. Again, it will be this is very easy question. What will be the correct answer? D. Okay, total logic is wrong. Okay, any other answers? Okay, so let's solve. So let's check what will be the correct answer for this question. So basically, this is the function that is returning the XOR of two nodes address that we are passing as an input. Okay, so basically, you can spot the answer by seeing the return type. Okay, so you can see the return type of this function is struct node star, but we are not returning any node. Okay, because the type casting is missing. You need to write node star. Okay, so basically the return type of this function is node star, but you are not returning a node star. Okay, so basically the type casting is required. So that's why the correct answer for this question is option B. The type casting and return is missing. You need to like first you need to typecast because you are returning a node, but you are not doing the typecasting here. So that's why you need to typecast before the return statement. Clear, guys? So the correct answer for this question is typecasting and return is missing. Okay, because the here you can see the return type is node star, but we are not returning anything. Okay, so that's why you need to typecast. Okay, next. Again, this is a question from DSA. What in a full binary tree, if the number of internal nodes is I, then the number of nodes will be option A, option B, option C, and option D. What will be the answer, guys? Fast. In a full binary tree, if the number of internal nodes is I, then the number of nodes are. Then the total number of nodes you need to tell. Like how many nodes will be there in the tree. What will be the answer, guys? First. Option D, 2i plus 1. Okay. Any other answers, guys? Any other answers, guys? D, I got 4 answers. Okay, so let's solve. So let's check what will be the correct answer. Okay, so there is one formula you need to remember, that is the leaf node. Number of leaf nodes will be internal nodes plus 1. This is one formula you need to remember. Okay, if there are I number of internal nodes, then the number of leaf nodes will be I plus 1. This is the one formula you need to remember. Okay, so this is the relationship between number of leaf node and number of internal node. Okay, so number of leaf nodes will be number of internal nodes plus 1. Okay, and the total number of nodes in the tree will be summation of internal nodes plus leaf node. Okay, so I we will put the value of L is I plus 1. Okay, so the total number of nodes in the tree will be I plus I is 2i, that is 2i plus 1. So 2i plus 1 is the correct answer for this question. You need to remember one formula, that it is a relationship between the leaf node and the internal node. Number of leaf nodes will be number of internal nodes plus 1. Okay, option D is the correct answer for this question. Next, again this is a question from stacks. Okay, you need to tell what is the output of this question. This is the question from stacks. Okay, guys, this is the question from stacks. You need to tell what will be the correct answer. Option A, option B, option C, and option D. Mm, okay, 10. Okay, any other answers, guys? What will be the answer for this question? The question is related to stack data structure. B, C, B. Okay, 10, 10, 10. Okay, so let's check what will be the correct answer. Okay, so basically there is a stack. Okay, so initially there are 3 elements in the stack, that is 1, 3, and 3. Initially there are 3 elements in the stack, and basically stack is basically last in first out. Okay, you can imagine a container. Okay, from there is last in and first out, there is only one end through which insertion and deletion will happen. Okay, so the main property of stack is last and first out. So basically already there are 3 elements in the stack, then in the stack we are pushing 4. So 4 will be at top, then we are pushing 10. Okay, so the stack will contain 1 3 4, 1 3 3 4 and 5 from bottom to top, and at the last we'll be popping the element. Popping means getting the topmost element. So the topmost element in the stack is 10. You can see the stack elements are 1 3 3 4 and 10. So basically in the pop operation we will take the topmost element from the stack. So the topmost element in the stack is currently 10. So item will contain the value 10. So option B is the correct answer for this question. Option B is the correct answer, guys. Okay, not C. Okay, next, this is the question. Application and services that run on distributed network and virtualized resources is known as option A, parallel computing, option B, soft computing, option C, distributed computing, and option D is cloud computing. What will be the correct answer for this question, guys? Okay, yes, the correct answer for this question is cloud computing, because the main definition of cloud computing is the services which will run on distributed networks and the virtualization cloud. Okay, so basically in cloud computing we are not using our own server. Instead we are using a services of different cloud provider. Okay, so there are basically you have heard of AWS by Amazon, GCP by Google, and Azure by Microsoft. Okay, so basically these are the different cloud providers, and we can use any cloud provider and their services. Okay, so the correct answer for this question is cloud computing, option D. Next, this is the question from database part. Okay, which one of the following statement probably contains the error? You need to tell which of the SQL query, which SQL query will give error. You need to tell which of the following SQL query will give error. Okay, option A, option B, option C, or option D. You need to tell me what will be the correct answer. I got D. Some are saying D, C, D, C. B. Okay, let's check. So let's apply the same principle that I have told you. That is the option elimination method. That is very helpful for MCQ part. Okay, so let's apply option elimination method here. Option elimination method. Okay, so let's check the first query. Select star from EMP where EMP is equals to 1003. This is the correct query because there is no error, because select star, it is selecting all of the column from table name. This is the table name and this is the column name. Okay, so the first query seems to be correct. Next, select employee ID from EMP where employee ID is 1006. This query is also correct because we are selecting only employee ID from employee table, and we where employee ID is 1006. Okay, this query is also seems to be correct. Next, select employee ID from employee. This is also correct because we are mentioning that this is the column name which we are getting, and this is the table name from which we are fetching the data. Okay, so this query is also correct. So the correct answer is option D, because here the table name is not mentioned. You can see there is no table name. Okay, in first three options there is table name. Okay, you can see from EMP, from EMP, from EMP, but in option D there is no table name that is given. So this query will gives you error, because you need to tell from which table you need to fetch the data in the SQL. Okay, so that's why the correct answer for this question is option D. Yes, you know table name, correct, because in first three statements there is table name that is given, that is the employee table, but in the last query there is no table name. So this query will gives you error. Yes, D is the correct answer for this question. Okay, now what do you mean by one to many relationship? Option A, option B, option C, and option D. What will be the answer? It's not visible properly. Lokesh, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, yes, it's visible properly. Arshad, just like open the full screen mode in your phone or in your laptop, so you will be able to see the screen. सर 24 ऑन कैंपस क्यों नहीं आया? ऑन कैंपस आया था लूसीफर 6 months ago in the February 2024. There is a analyst, senior analyst hiring posted. Yes, we got the answer from Aditi, Rangder, Grammar, and
Okay,
Abhishek.
some are saying A, B. Okay, any other answers, guys? Okay, one teacher can have many classes. Okay, B, B, B. Okay, let's check. Okay, so let's apply the same principle, that is option elimination method. Okay, so this is the most important thing for MCQ part. You need to apply, that is option elimination method. Okay, so let's eliminate the wrong options first. So in the question, it is asking for one to many relationship. Okay, So we will eliminate C and D option because they are saying many to many, but in the question it is asking for one to many. Okay, so that's why we will be simply eliminating option C and option D. Option C and D will be not correct. Okay, so let's analyze option A and option B. In option A, it is saying one class may have many teachers. Okay, this is basically many to one. This is the statement of many to one relationship. Okay, but in the question it is asking for one to many, so we will simply eliminate option A as well. So what it is remaining, option B is remaining, so option B will be the correct answer. You need to simply put the answer on B. Option B is the correct answer, because you can see we will be applying option elimination method. Okay, because C and D we have already eliminated because it is asking for many to many, but in the question we are asking about one to many, so we will simply cross the C and D option. In A and B, in option A it is a statement of many to one relationship. Okay, so simply we can also eliminate option A as well, so only option B is remaining. That's why the correct answer for this question is option B. So this is the principle you need to apply in your examination. That is the option elimination method for MCQs. This is very helpful, guys, because there is one question for 1 minute. Okay, there is very less time. So you need to eliminate the options like this. Option one, as I told you, option one is it is saying one class may have many teachers. That is like many to one relationship. Okay, this is a statement for many to one relationship, guys, but in the question it is asking for reverse, that is one to many. So the correct answer for this question is option B. Okay, so if you need to like read more about, just read more about one to many, many to many, many to one relationship from Geeks for Geeks. Okay, this is the, I guess you all have learned this in your DBMS subjects. Okay, from database management system. Okay, so you can like revise more from Geeks for Geeks as well. Yes. Okay, so let's move on. The term NTFS refers to which of the following, guys? What is the answer for this question? The term NTFS refers to which of the following? What is the correct answer for this question, guys? Okay, I got three answers: A, C, and A. C. Okay. So the correct answer for this question is option A, guys, not option C. Option A is the correct answer. That is NTFS. NTFS stand for New Technology File System. The full form of NTFS is New Technology File System. So the correct answer for this question is option A. Yes, A is the correct answer for this question. Okay. So let's move on. So again, this is the question from data structure, that is from trees. You need to tell, construct a binary search tree by using post order sequence, and this is the post order sequence. You need to tell option A, option B, option C, and option D. Which one is the correct answer? Which one is the correct representation of given post order binary search tree, guys? Guys, you need to tell what will be the tree representation of given post order traversal. Option C. Okay, any other answers, guys? Any other answers, guys? Fast. This is the question from tree data structure. That is a post-order traversal of binary search tree.
We got answer from Aditi, Karthik, Anurag, Deepak. C,
Okay,
C.
C, 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 B, D. Okay, so let's solve. Let's solve what will be the correct answer. Okay. So basically, in the question, you are given a post-order traversal. In the question, you are given a post-order traversal. The post-order traversal is we will traverse for first left part, then right part, and then the root part. Okay, you need to remember this formula. In the post order, we first traverse the left part of the tree, then the right part, then we will traverse the root. Okay, so you need to remember this one. So you can see in the post order, the last node will be the root node. Okay, so basically 5 is basically the root node. Okay, because in post order, root will be traversed at the last. Okay, so 5 is the root element. Okay, next, the property of binary search tree is the left child's of root is basically less than of it, and the right child will be greater than. Okay, so what will be the left children's of 5, guys? Because the property of binary search tree is the left children's of root is basically less than the root, and the right children's of binary search tree will be the greater than root. So what will be the left child and the right child of 5? Just put your answer in the chat. What will be the left child's and the right child's of 5? Just put your answer. You need to remember the property of binary search tree. What will be the left children's and the right children's of 5, guys? 3 and 8. Okay. 3 and 8. 3 and 8. Okay, that is not correct. Incorrect. You need to remember what is the property of binary search tree. The left children's are basically less than 5. What are the elements that are less than 5 in the given array? Left is less than root. Yes. So what are the elements that are less than 5 in the given post order traversal? Guys, fast. What are the elements that are less than 5 in the given post order traversal? 2, 3, 4. Correct. So the left children's of 5 is 2, 3, 4, because 2, 3, 4 are less than 5, and the right child will be 7, 9, and 8. Okay, then we will apply the same formula. This 4 will become root, and 2 will be its right child, and 3 will be its left child. And for same, 8 will be left child, 7 will be left child, and 9 will be right child. Okay, so 5, 4, 8, 2, 3, 7, 9. Which one is the correct? 5, 3, 8. Okay, yes. Yes, option B is the correct answer. Okay, so you need to remember the property of binary search tree and the post order traversal. Okay, so again I'm telling you the property of post order traversal is first we will traverse the left part, right part, and the root part, and the property of binary search tree is the left of the root is basically less than the root, and the right part is basically greater than the root. Okay, so let's move on. So again, this is the question from computer networks. What is the term for an endpoint for an inter-process communication flow across a computer network? What will be the correct answer, guys? This is the question from computer networks. What is the term for an endpoint for an inter-process communication flow across a computer network? What is the correct answer for this question, guys? Port. Okay. Any other answers? Any other answers, guys? Fast. What will be the answer? What will be the term for an endpoint for an inter-process communication flow across a computer network? Okay. Yeah. So the correct answer for this question is option C, that is socket. Basically, in computer network, socket is basically an endpoint for inter-process communication across a different network. Okay. So let's say there is two different computer networks, that is N1 and N2. And basically, socket is basically an endpoint that will communicate between the two networks. That is for inter-process communication. Yes, socket is the correct answer for this question. Okay. Next, what will be the answer for this question? You are given a pseudocode. What is the answer for this question? Option A, B, C, and D. What will be the correct answer for this question, guys? Solve this pseudocode and put your answer in the chat. And also, first, just put what is the binary representation of 128. Binary of 128. Just put your answer in the chat. And also put like what will be the binary representation of number 128. Option C, 64. Okay. Any other answers? Okay. Okay, I got two answers. Option C, B, B. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so let's solve what will be the answer for this question. So let me clean out the board. Okay. So basically, this is the input function, and we are passing an unsigned integer n as input. So for n value is 128. So here the n value is 128. then we are checking if not is power of 2 of 128. So basically 128 is power of 2. Okay, so this condition will be not true, so it will go in the next statement. So we are taking unsigned I is equals to 1 and position is equals to 1. And then we are iterating, like we are calculating I and we are doing left shift operator, and we will incrementing the position. Okay, so the I value is 1, so the binary of 1 is 1. Okay, 10. And the binary of 128, what the binary of 128 is 1, and how much zeros? 1 2 3 4 5, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1, 2 2 2 and 1. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4. Okay, 7 times 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 2 2 4 to 6 and 1 7. Okay, so this is the binary representation of n. Then we are calculating the AND operator. We are performing binary AND. So the binary of 1 is 1, then here 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 0. Okay, and we are performing and I have told you the condition of AND is if both of the bits are 1, then only result will be 1. Okay, so here the both of the bits are you can see both of the bits are like uh, one is 0 and one is 1, so output is 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, and 1 and 0 is also 0. Okay, so this is the binary representation of 0 and not of 0. We here we are like negating. Okay, so basically not of 0 is true, so it will go to inside the loop. It will doing I is equals to I left shift 1. Okay, so I left shift 1, left shift means multiply by 2, so I value will become 2, and position, the value of position will be 2, will be incrementing the position by 2. Okay, so this is the first iteration. Next I value becomes 2, so the binary of 2 is 1 0. Okay, and same we will perform the AND operation. Okay, so here it will comes to 0 again, 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So again this will be 0 and not of 0 is true. Okay, so then it will increment I is equals to I left shift 2, so 2 will becomes, so this one will go to 1 because we are doing left shift operation. Left shift means shifting the bits from one place to the left. Okay, then position will increment to 3. So now my 1 becomes at 3 position, and something like this, it will go up till my 1 it's at the right. Okay, so it will keep traversing until my 1 is at the last position. Okay, that is 8th position. So position will contain 8's value because there are 8 places in the original numbers. Okay, so that's why the correct answer for this question is 8. Okay, so initially 1 is here, then in the next iteration 1 will be here, then 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 until it will reach till the end. Okay, until then this while loop will execute and the position will contain 8 value. So that's why the correct answer for this question is option D, that is 8. Okay guys, yes, D is the correct answer for this question. Okay, next, what is the output of this pseudocode? Again, this is easy question. What is the output of this question, pseudocode part, guys? Fast. What will be the output of this pseudocode part, guys? Fast, guys. What will be the output of this pseudocode? Okay, option A. Any other answers? Option D, option A. Any other answers, guys? Guys, fast. What will be the answer for this pseudo code? Okay, option A. Any other answers? Okay, so let's check what will be the correct answer for this question. Okay, so let's solve. Okay, so basically this is the question. We are declaring integer y whose value is 0. Then inside if we are writing if 1, this is binary or operator, then we are assigning y is equals to 1. This assignment operator will return the value of y, which is 1. Okay, and 1 or 1 will be 1 because this is both of the true. Okay, both are true, that's why the our final will be true. So this if condition will becomes true, so that's why it will go inside this one and it will print y is percentage d y. So y value is 1, so y is 1 is the correct answer for this question. That is option A. Yes, y is 1 is the correct answer for this question. Next, again, this is the question from heaps. What is the correct answer? What is the correct answer for this question, guys? This is again the question from heap data structure. What will be the answer? Again, apply the principle that I have said you, that is option elimination method. This is the main principle you need to remember for your examination, that is the option elimination method. Okay, just apply this process and let me know the answer. What will be the correct answer for this question? Just apply option elimination method and put your answer in the chat. Okay, B, D. Guys, fast. What will be the correct answer for this question? Option B, option A, D. Just apply option elimination method and put your answer in the chat. What will be the correct answer? Option B, option A. Okay. Okay, so let's check. So let's apply the option elimination method that I have told you. So basically the property of max heap is a max heap is a heap where the value of each parent is greater than or equals to its child. Okay, so the main property of max heap is the value of its parent is basically greater than its left and the right. The parent should be greater than to its left and right. This is the main property you need to remember of heap. Okay, so you can see this 5 is greater than 2, but this is 8. So again this 8 is greater than 5, so we will eliminate this option. Option D is not correct. Next, this is 10 5 6 is correct, but you can see here 8. The property of max heap is the root will be the max element among left and right, but you can see the right is the highest element, so we will eliminate this option as well. Okay, so let's check for these option A and option B. You can see 8 6 10, this is the max element, it is true. Again 8 is greater than among 4 and 5, this is correct. 1 2 6, it is also true. Okay, let's check for A. For A, 8 6 and 10, this is also true. 4 8, it is also satisfy the condition of min heap, sorry, max heap. okay, and 5, 2 and 6 and 1, it is also satisfying. These both are satisfying the condition, but you need to remember one more condition, that is the left part should be filled first than the right part in the heap. This is not a heap because the left part is empty and the right part is filled first. The main, again, the main edge case of the heap is the left, first the left part should be completely filled, then you need to go to the right part. But in the option A, the one is empty and it will go to the right part. Okay, so this is again not a example of correct example of heap, so we will left with option A, so option B, so option B is the correct answer. There is one important property of heaps, that is the left part should be filled first, not the right part. Yes, option B is the correct answer. You need to remember this edge case of heaps, the left part should be filled first then the right part in the heap. This is the important thing for heaps. Okay, so option B is the correct answer for this question. Okay, so let's move on. So what will be the output of this pseudocode part? Fast guys, what is the answer? And basically I am giving you the hint, this is calculating the number of set bits, the number of set bits in a number. So basically this pseudocode will give the number of set bit in a number. This is the hint for this question. So you need to tell me what will be the correct answer. This code will give number of set bits in a number. So you need to tell me what will be the correct answer. A, B, C and D. This is the hint for this question, guys. You need to tell me what will be the correct answer for this question. 4, okay. Okay, I got 4, 4C. Okay. Any other answers, guys? So the hint for this question is this code is calculating number of set bits. That is number of ones in binary representation. So basically the hint for this question is it is calculating number of ones in the binary representation of 15. So you need to tell me what will be the correct answer. Option C, 4, 4. Okay. Yes. So the correct answer for this question will be option C, because as I said, this code is calculating the number of ones in the binary representation of 15. So the binary of 15 is 1, 1 and 1 and 1. Okay. So you can see there are 4 ones in the binary representation of 15. So you can count 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is the correct answer for this question. Yes, 4 C is the correct answer. Next, now this is the last question of today's class. The value appearing in a given attribute of any tuple in the referencing relation must like occur in a specified attribute of at least one tuple in the reference relationship according to dash integrity constraint. Option A, option B, option C, and option D. What will be the correct answer for this question, guys? Fast. What will be the correct answer for this question, guys? Option A, okay. Okay. So any other answers, guys? Referential. Okay, that is correct. No, option D is incorrect. Referential is correct. Okay, so the correct answer for this question is option A, that is referential, because in the question they are asking for the value appearing in the attribute of any tuple in a referencing relationship must occur in a specified attribute. It is asking for referential referencing relationship between tuples in a table. Okay, and basically there are two types of relationship, that is the primary and referential. Okay, again referencing, this is not a type of any types of relationship. Specific is do not type of relationship. The only option left is primary and referential. Primary is for primary keys, but in the question it is asking for referencing, so that's why the referential will be the correct answer for this question. Okay, so option A will be the correct answer for this question, guys. Okay, so this is all about today's class. So in today's class we have discussed pseudocode part plus some DSA question from computer networks as well as the cloud computing. Okay, again I'm telling you, for pseudocode part, bit manipulation, XOR operator, AND operator, OR operator, array strings, and recursion. This is very important for pseudocode part. Okay, most of the question are from these topics. And for the DSA, the most of the question are from trees, linked list, heaps, min heap, and max heaps. Okay, so these are the most important topics for data structures, MCQs, and pseudocode part. Okay, guys. Yes, Lokesh, like that's it from my side. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Lokesh. Okay, so thank you so much, Lokesh. You are putting lot of efforts for candidates. First of all, I have request from all of you guys. At least like and share the session. Okay, your one like motivate us to make more videos for all of you. And Lokesh, is my screen is visible?
Yes, your screen is visible.
Okay, just to see that, guys, we are sharing everything for free. We make the Capgemini 25 batch free preparation playlist in which we already uploaded the two videos. Okay, first is Capgemini updated exam pattern and today technical MCQ. We are also come up with the coding videos, English written test, everything game based aptitude. For TCS, we already uploaded the 25 batch video. For Accenture, we already uploaded the free preparation series. So we are sharing everything for free. Okay, so I want support from all of you. Like and share the session and share this session with your friends as well, so they will also get benefited. We covered lot of questions in today's session that is related to the latest examination pattern. Like 2024 batch graduated, just completed their exam in February 24, and now in the September 24, 25 batch get the opportunity. Okay, got the opportunity. So you have to prepare very well for the examination and don't worry about anything. We will share each and everything with all of you for free. Just want all of your support. And you guys are watching our live session from 1 hour 29 minutes. So thank you so much. And thank you so much, Lokesh. Again, you are putting lot of efforts for candidates. And definitely it will very helpful for everyone. And it will get benefited in their placement journey. Okay, so guys, one most important point, there are three role: analyst star, and senior analyst. Okay, but our main aim that every candidate have get the opportunity of senior analyst, that is a 7.5 LPA package. So you have to think big. Okay, कि हमको senior analyst crack करना है. That's why. And guys, please mention in the comment section now how was this session. Okay, it was amazing, super. Please mention and appreciate the efforts, guys. Like the session and share the session with everyone. So definitely we will come up with the more session as soon as possible. Yes, guys, please mention in the comment section now how was the session, how was the today's session. Then we will end the session now. Thanks a lot, sir. Amazing. Thank you so much, Rahul, Anurag, Anand, everyone who is watching our live session on daily basis and watching our videos. Definitely, guys, we are putting lot of efforts for you. Okay, that you will get the right opportunity. You will get placed in one of the top company. You will get the high package. Okay, great. Thank you so much, Anurag. 860 is my number, sir. Thank you so much, sir. As expected, we have Capgemini Campus Drive in our college in maybe 2 to 3 weeks. Thank you so much, Ritik. Definitely. And yes, Capgemini dates are also announced. Like we got update from Anurag as well. Like examination is on 14 September. Some of the examination on 13 September. You guys want you want the continuous series, so we will also update the continuous series. We will share the update with all of you that is related to hiring on 10th September in my college. Thank you so much, Rahul, for update. Thank you so much, Omkar. Okay, guys, so I am sharing my WhatsApp business number here. Okay, so 5986286. Okay, yeah, so this is my WhatsApp business number. I want support from all of you. Just if you receive any kind of update related to Capgemini, related to any of the company from your college, so please share update on this number. Okay, and I am sharing also my email ID with all of you. Okay, so you can share the update. So it will very helpful to convey the information. Okay, you will receive the latest update that is related to hiring. Okay, and you can also share your examination experience after completing your exam. Definitely it will very helpful for everyone, and we will come up with the interview series, everything. Okay, yeah, so just note down this number or take a screenshot of that. And thank you so much for joining the today's live session. I hope this live session is very helpful for your preparation, and we will continue this series. Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining the today's live session, and good night, and continue your preparation. We are waiting for your final selection. Good news that, sir, we cracked the Capgemini examination. We cracked the senior analyst opportunity. So let's crack senior analyst. Let's crack Capgemini. Thank you so much, guys. Guys, even join on WhatsApp. It is also helpful. Yes, Ritik. Thank you so much. We will share the WhatsApp group link as well. And Lokesh, thank you so much again.
Thank you very much and bye bye.
Bye. Good night, guys. Bye.